I was going to make another fidget tour video because I accidentally pressed it before you got to see any of my fidgets. Okay. Well, Star Fam, before we get this video started, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, give this video a huge thumbs up, and comment down below if you have any of the fidgets I do, or what's your favorite category. Look at all that. And today my sister's going to be joining us. Oh, you're blocking the camera. You want to say hi? What's your name? How old are you? I love your dress. She's a little shy. My bubble beeps. Hey! What is that? Mochi. Oh, it's a mochi. Come on. Okay, well, here is a little overview. Here's some stuff from the corners. As you can see, there is a lot of stuff, so let's just get right into it.
Even mochi.
Yes, the mochis are going to be not on display.
And there's mushrooms right here.
Okay. Woo! So first, oh my God, what are these boxes? I'm trying to walk through. So first, I have a rainbow poppet bag. Oh my God, guys. So obviously this is really hard. So wait.